The ketogenic diet, or as like some people prefer to call it, the keto diet or low-carb diet, is about consuming a lot of protein and fats but fewer carbs. This diet makes the body send the fats that we consume to the liver, which the latter transform it into energy to keep the body strong and active for a long time without feeling tired quickly. The word ketogenic is derived from the word ketosis, which means the state of the body when it doesn't have enough glucose in it to turn it into energy, so it generates ketones that work as an amazing source of energy for both the body and the brain, which makes it a great option for losing weight in a short term. The keto diet prevents you from consuming the lot for carbs that are the main reason of gaining weight, because the sugar makes you hungry most of the time. When you consume carbs with small portions and focus more on protein and fat, your body doesn't push you most of the time to eat. Instead, it uses those fats to satisfy your hunger and keep you active. If you are looking for a diet that will help you lose weight in a very short term, the ketogenic diet is the perfect diet for you, because it not only helps you achieve great lean body, but also provides immense health benefits. The benefits of the ketogenic diet so far: there are a lot of great benefits of the keto diet, but no negative effects have appeared yet at all, which makes it the delicious diet that fits everybody. Here are other health benefits of keto diet. 1. Increases the level of HDL. One of the best aspects of the ketogenic diet is that it increases the level of HDL in the body, which is the good cholesterol that helps in lowering the risk of heart diseases. 2. Helps in alleviating diabetes type 2. By removing carbs from your daily meals, you say goodbye to sugar and insulin, because your body already has what it needs, and you won't have to be worried about what you eat. 3. Lowers blood pressure. High blood pressure is a catastrophe because it might lead to kidney failure, heart diseases, strokes. With this diet, you can say goodbye to all those worries and live a healthy life away from all those malignant diseases that threaten your life. 4. Gum disease. Gum disease is one of the worst and most painful diseases, which is commonly caused by the consumption of too much sugar. When you eliminate sugar from your daily meals, you can avoid gum diseases and toothaches.